Silver Young Solo Traveler. Thank you for watching my video and I truly appreciate your support. Today the topic will be 10 ways to make your flight attendant your friend. It's an article written by Deb Hopewell of Smarter Travel. Every airline passenger knows the challenge of spending 5 or more hours confined to a tight seat in a small space. But have you ever stopped to think about what it's like to work in that cramped space as a flight attendant taking care of 200 people? Be nice. If there is one thing every flight attendant would love to have every passenger do, is this: be nice. If a person says something nice, I am almost always too shocked to respond. A kind word goes further than most passengers will ever know. You can practice it from the moment you step through the plane door. Smile and say hello to the cabin crew. It is that easy. Be ready. Have you ever been behind that passenger who board the plane, find his seat, and then block the aisle, arranging everything he need? Laptop, cell phone, headphone, pillow, while everyone behind him is at a dead stop waiting to get past. Of course you have. Please don't be that person. Check that. If you are not physically capable of lifting your bag into the overhead bin, and you are not traveling with someone who can help you, check your bag instead. There is a good reason for this. Most airlines have strict rules prohibiting cabin crew from helping with bags because of injury caused by repeated heavy lifting. So even if your flight attendant wanted to help you, they are not allowed to. It is about safety for them. Explain one verse. Take out your earbud. Flight attendants are happy that many people keep themselves occupied during a flight. But when cabin crew members are coming down the aisle with food or drinks, then ask that you take at least one of your earbuds out so you can hear them. I always ask, "What can I get you?" And they say, "What?" One attendant lament. They get tired of repeating the beverage option over and over to passengers who don't remove their earphone. If you don't want service, at least signal that. It's common decency to let me know that you have seen me and I will go to the next one. If you are not acknowledging me, I am moving on. Entertain your kids. If you're traveling with young ones, come armed to the teeth with everything you need to keep them happy and occupied. Toys, puzzle, movie, and even food they like, which may not be what is available from the airline. I have had people come on board without a diaper bag. We love your babies, but say another member of the cabin crew are not babysitters, so please don't ask them to hold your baby while you go to the bathroom. Let them help you. If you are a fearful flyer or are feeling sick, say something. We can help and we want to help. We can usually tell by looking at someone what is going on, but it's better if you inform us. By law, attendants are not allowed to dispense any medication, so make sure to bring your own medication if you need it. Don't be a space invader. Our galley is our haven. We go there to prepare for service, to talk, to gather ourselves, to just be. If you want to chat with us, we are usually okay with that. We all like people after all, but keep it to 5 to 10 minutes, 15 at most. I have met the most wonderful and interesting people at 35,000 feet. And that is one reason I love being a flight attendant. Just be mindful, add that if you need to go to the galley to stretch on a long flight, please ask first and keep it brief. Police yourself. There are no excuses for rude or boorish behavior on a plane. But unfortunately, it happens. When it does, you either ignore it or resolve it politely. I cannot tell someone to put their seat forward. I just cannot. And if a child behind you keep kicking your seat, ask the parent without being confrontational, to be aware of where those little legs are hitting, because no, your flight attendant cannot get involved in that either. Pay attention. It's tempting to tune out when attendants are giving the safety instruction, but the attendant's first job is keeping us safe in the air, and they appreciate it when they have your eyes and ears. On every flight, our position comes from a place of safety. We are personally held accountable if we don't follow FAA guidelines. If you haven't buckled your seat belt or your seat is reclining on takeoff, that could mean someone's job. She said there are ghost riders on board, unknown to them, whose job it is to make sure flight attendants are enforcing the rules. Go when it is time to go. Did you know that flight attendants are only paid for the time they work when the doors are locked? That is why they appreciate it when you board efficiently, and why they would like you to deplane as quickly as possible. I have had people who don't want to wake up their sleeping child. And I want to say, your kid is still asleep. Have your shoes on, your things gathered, and be ready to get up when it is your turn. You have place to go, so does your flight attendant. So this is for today, Silver Young Solo Traveler. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to hit the red button below as well as the bell sign, so when I upload a new video it will notify you. Be safe, bye bye, and again, this is Aya.